Right guys, I'll start by saying I'm sorry I've not posted for a long time. I've been really not very well. 3 medical issues, still got 2 of them. I was asked to come out just for a break to get away from the house. The doctor said it'd be good if I got out as well. So I've come to my friend's dad's farm. Well, this little bit isn't actually the full farm, it's further over there. So I thought I'd do a little bit of a video just to show you I'm here, and that's why I've not been posting videos, guys. Lost a lot of support, I understand. Not sure if they would have stayed if they'd understood why I wasn't posting, but it is what it is. So I'm just going to do a little video. He's gonna cook me chicken soup or something. The place is full of watermelons and mangoes. There's a mango tree here, look, mango tree over there. There's mangoes everywhere. There's watermelon being sold all along the road, and his dad says he stopped doing the watermelons because they had to dump a truckload of them because they couldn't sell them. They're that cheap round here. In Centro they're about 35 pesos a kilo. Here they're only 10 pesos a kilo, and they're beautiful. I've just had some, they're very sweet. So we'll watch Ralph. He's supposed to be a master chef. Well, he's a master mechanic, a master chef, a master painter. So look how quiet it is around here. All you can hear is birds and the odd cockerel. I hope it's light enough to see. This is Ralph's dad and his mum. Is it light enough to see, Ralph?
Yes, now I will want you to taste my like chicken soup with having lemongrass and papaya.
I've had that before. Yeah.
Papaya, it's good. It's good.
It hasn't really got any taste to it though, has it?
No, it's delicious. It's delicious also.
So what you got in here? You've got onion,
garlic, and what you call that, Chris? Turmeric.
Turmeric. Yeah.
Turmeric.
And then there's the chicken. How fresh is the chicken?
It's very fresh.
Have you just killed it today?
Yes, just for a minute we just killed it just for you.
Thank you very much.
I just caught it. It's very hard.
Bless it.
Because the chicken is very fast to run.
Yeah.
After this, we just first cook the papaya because it's not easy to cook. We're not including that because that one is very easy to cook. It can be, so that we just need to cook this one.
So what do you call this when it's fully cooked? What?
It's called in Filipino dishes it's called tinola. Tinola, but it's just like a soup, but it's very delicious. More Filipino eat it like this one because it's very easy to prepare. Not having not having more ingredients. You just get it in your backyard,
and it doesn't take long to cook.
It's not. After this one was not too hard, you can put the chicken. Guys, this one is we gonna for lunch with Chris. I prepare it because Chris visited me because he very miss me, and I surprised that he is in here.
Yeah, he talked me into coming because I was about ready to kill myself. Just stuck in the house. I'm only joking about that.
Yes.
Well, that's why there's been no videos, guys, and you know, don't expect after watching this the videos are gonna come thick and fast, because they're probably not. But we'll do the odd video, and then when I'm fully sorted, we'll try and get back to normal.
Yes, just wait for Chris for coming back.
Yeah.
But if Chris was ready to come back,
Yeah.
he put a lot of videos. From now, because he need to take care herself first before,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, I'm putting my health first. Unfortunately, I need my channel, but I just can't get out because I'm in too much pain. So, but I'm doing this for you and explaining why I'm being on. For all the trolls, there's I've been getting messages that apparently me and Mel split up. That isn't true. We've not split up at all. Everything's fine. The kids are healthy. Mel's healthy. There's nothing wrong with them. It's just me.
Yes, you're doing great.
But I'm getting there eventually.
We just leave it, Chris, because it's too long. After this, we're gonna come back.
All right.
We just continue.
Okay.
Thank you, guys. Now it's already the papaya is very soft. We just put the chicken on it because we need to eat a lot, because Chris and I go to farm. We need to eat because it's it's far. We just get there anything that we can get.
Yeah.
And then we visit also our farm there if the rice is good, because we have a typhoon now. Then after maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes, we just come back to eat if the chicken is already cooked, and then we eat. It's
Yeah,
alright.
because he knows I like chicken.
Yes.
And his dad loves chicken. He loves chicken.
Yes. Later, guys, we're gonna come back if this is already cooked, and then we can eat. To eat, guys. Thank you.
So see you later. We forgot about the lemongrass.
I just forgot. The taste of this, Chris, is like also a ginger.
Yeah.
But it's so that the smell of the chicken is not too so that we put like lemongrass to eat. Okay, later we're gonna come back if this is already cooked. I just add a water for it. Thank you.
There you go, guys. This is the end result. This is mine because I don't like a lot of rice. And as you know, Filipinos would be climbing the wall.
Tinolang manok.
Yeah.
Tinolang chicken.
Filipinos would be climbing the walls if there was no rice. They've got to have the rice. It's the staple diet. But this is the end result, what Ralph's cooked. And it looks nice. And then they're all my mangoes. What these lads let me take home. Look, they're all ripe, yellow inside. Because normally they eat the rice with the mango with shrimp when it's a little bit sour. And I like the shrimp, but I'm not keen on the sour mango. Well, there you go. So walking along the road, and Ralph said to me just after we've had some lovely chicken and different things, some lovely watermelon, let's go and steal some buku.
There's a lot of watermelon.
Where?
That area.
Huh?
Yes, a lot of watermelon there.
There you go. I think he's brought his brother because his brother can climb the trees and he can't, to get the buku. Where is it then?
The
The watermelon?
there, somewhere there.
Oh, somewhere there.
lot of them having
That
a
explains a lot.
watermelon.
Yeah. Okay.
Now we just get buku. Coconut.
Yeah. No, please, guys, don't abandon us. We're still around, and there will be the odd videos, but it's just going to be odd videos until I'm 100%. You can get anything here.
We put full of buko here, coconut.
You can get buku, you can get melon, you
Yes.
can get bananas.
You can still eat
You can grab a duck
a duck if you want.
and have some duck for dinner.
For dinner, it's free.
Chickens, if you like dog, there's plenty of dogs. You think I'm joking? I went to Iriga to a party, and in the Philippines the men sit by themselves and the women sit, you know.
This is the harvester. We own it.
Yeah, this is Ralph's dad's harvester, and at some point I'm gonna be driving it.
Yes. If the time having harvest time, Chris, we will teach him how to operate this one.
Yeah. Anyway, they're drinking this, eating this meat and these bowls, and they give me this bowl, and I'm eating this meat, and I'm really enjoying it, and they're laughing their heads off, and they're saying, "Are you enjoying that meat, Chris?" I said, "Yeah, it's beautiful." He says, "Do you know what you're eating?" I says, "Well, it looks like pig, it looks like, lechon." I said, "No, it's dog." Well, I heaved till I couldn't heave no more, and that's not a joke, that's a serious story. Everything possible's happened to me in the Philippines since I come here. I was as healthy as a butcher's dog.
Chris,
What?
one watermelon here.
Wow! No way!
Handful.
So has this all been forgot about then?
It's one with the stem. It's have
Cool.
one watermelon.
It's cool.
Oh, there's have another one there. Oh, Chris, look. You just find a watermelon
No,
here.
we just look. I bet I can't find one. I'll probably just find a cobra.
You can find there a cobra.
Yay! I found nothing.
I found that one, Chris.
How's it? You've just gone and found two, and I can't find one.
Oh, Chris, this one. Look, have a look here. It's having there.
Yeah, got one.
Oh, baka it's not good, Chris. It's not ripe.
Oh, sorry.
You can eat it.
Thought you said it wasn't right.
Just bring it. Here, Chris, another one.
Jesus, make your mind up.
Just bring it. We test it if it's right. Oh, Chris, it said two here. It said one here, Chris. Oh. But it's not ripe. But this two, Chris, oh, it's ripe.
There's one here.
Oh, Chris, oh. Don't pull it. It's
I'm not going to pull it. It's too small.
too small. Oh, this one, oh. Hey.
That's mine. Unless there's a cobra around it.
It's yours.
Yeah, I'll have that. What about your dad?
Forget about my dad. It's a little bit. You're big. This one. It's big. Yes, sir, ini ko hinod na din eh. Okay. Oh, this two. Oh. Later we gonna get more.
There's got to be somewhere else where there's bigger ones. Here, look.
Oh, don't get it.
It's massive.
It's not ripe.
It's massive.
Inog na yun?
Oh,
No, it's not Chris.
but it's big.
Even if it's big, it's not ripe.
There's another one.
It's not ripe, Chris.
If I find a cobra, I'm going to die.
It's not ripe.
Literally.
You show it to the camera.
Another one.
It's not ripe. Chris, don't pull it.
No, I'm not pulling it. Just bringing it out.
Hulog-hulog this.
Be careful.
Be careful.
We don't want any accidents.
Hindi ako. Ini. Kuhanan mo yung dua. Ini.
Mind you, I'm not much impressed. It's not a very tall tree, is it? I was looking for some danger for my...
Like it's dangerous. No danger.
I want some danger for my subscribers. You know when you go into Centro and you just want the buku juice, they get the machete and they just tap on the...
Motherfucker. Chris.
Yeah. They tap on the coconut. And I tried to ask them what they were tapping for. Now I know obviously there's a reason to see how much water there's in.
Motherfucker.
But they didn't know, they didn't understand what I wanted to know. Now, before any of the trolls start saying stuff, where we got the watermelon is his dad's land, and this coconut place, all this is dad's land.
The juice, it's alright. It's exactly.
Aren't we taking some home?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you climb there and then just jump there.
Very sweet.
Like
It's
me.
very sweet talaga.
It's sweet like me. Look, Chris.
Oh, it's nice that.
Nice as.
Paano testing ano pa niyo? Sarong na niyo.
Arin, dahil pen ko, ano na yan, matagas na
Tagas na. Ayun, paano nga nang sarong rahog na niyo? Chris, the video is off. Look, my brother climbing like a monkey.
But his face is not.
Chris is very thirsty.
I told you he was Angoy.
Oh boy, it's like a monkey. Just drop here.
Come what may. They're very small.
But the English ng laog.
Where I get my buku from, he says he gets it from Daet.
No, here.
No,
Who said
no, in Centro,
Central?
where I get my buku, he says they get it from Daet. Well, if I was all right, if I was well, I could get them coconuts. Why don't you use your machete and just cut the whole 5 down?
We're gonna test it first one. If the one is good, all of that is good. If the one is not good, all of that is not good.
Oh, yeah. Got it.
So that we need to test it.
This machete is about as sharp as mine. Somebody, I've changed the position of where I park my car, and somebody's gone and thrown a stone on my bonnet or a brick, whatever. Thank you very
A lot
much.
of bukod is there, but it's not all.
Sweet.
Sweet. It's nice.
Yan sa roko. Gando ah. Ayun lang yung kinuhanan mo, magkatain. Kala ko lamang, yun yung apat na yan. Hindi nga rin apat na yan ko.
The airbender.
Now, what? What did you say?
That Carabao is fine.
Is it?
I will give it to you. But you need to ride it to your car.
Will we get it on the back seat?
Yes.
Cool.
Very heavy.
Yeah, that's a big Carabao.
Pag yun na yan
Looks
ko.
like it's a male.
Ito mo na yan.
My battery's about ready to shut down, guys. I've had a great day. I'm very exhausted. I think I'm going to go straight to bed when I get home. I'm surprised I've been able to do what I've done.
Oh. Buko. Oh. Yun na yan ko. Tipo mo yan ko.
It's hard to walk on my left leg because it's swollen, very swollen, and it's quite painful, along with the other stuff. He's off, look. No, he's got to be tied up. He can't be just walking around on his own. No, he's tied up.
Ipan yan. Pero pilato yan. Pero pilato yan.
I thought that he'd used his machete to just cut it.
Ayan na. Mapartisting kita tapos nagkakaburo ka santa.
I thought you were going to climb.
Later. Yun na yung mga
Yeah.
mo.
I bet.
Ha?
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support. If you see you are not on the list, please let us know. Thank you. Aaron, Dr. Philippines, Anthony Neal, Kingsley, Dazlox, Gladio Atlantean, Zark Alfrey, Romeo Roma Santa, a Brit's Philippines destination, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Rick's Destination Cebu, Albarjit, Ferre Vildi, Scott Slavin, Brett Glazo, Stephen Baxter, Mira D, Brian Dawson, Jim Alvire, Didus Jornales, Paulo Svensson. Big thanks to all of you.